rides to and from school were basically parades, celebrating cause we knew we'd make it. Those late night sessions in my bedroom out in Brooklyn started patiently making this foundation. And over 10 years later, we're both still chasing greatness, shameless when we're making these statements. The path was never perfect, but this purpose made it worth it. Rob Bailey fucking take us home. You salute to him.
Get everything you think you know. Fuck everything you think you know. And fuck what people have to say. Burn all the plans. This is my day. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it.
Picture all the people saying people wouldn't love us, but the people tell us that they couldn't live without us. That's what I call choking out the fucking doubters. Meanwhile, I'm just closing in on 20,000 fucking hours. I know myself better than I know the back of my hand. So much so, I'll never be treated like anything less than a man. And I know, I wake up, I'm ready to take on the whole world again. No matter the time or the place, goddamn, Rob Bailey, take us home.
Get everything you think you know. Fuck everything you think you know. And fuck what people have to say. Burn all the plans. This is my day. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Get the fuck out. Whoa! You're doing it. I feel like a goddamn train. Whoa! Oh!
And I walk in, I'm like, yeah, we're doing this. We're doing it. We're all pumped up and we're young and we don't know what we're doing, but it doesn't matter because we're fucking doing it.